Hello and good morning, everyone. So, for all the NCERT books, you can just go to this link, and which is obviously in the description down below. And here you can select your class, and then the subject, and then the book title. So, then you can find all the chapters, and you can also download the full NCERT book in PDF format. So, let's open this first chapter. And here you go. This is the full first chapter. And in the same way, you can also download that complete book. So it's of 233 MB. And so once it is downloaded, I'll show it to you. So downloaded is complete now. And let's check it now. This is the cover. This is the, I believe this is the first chapter. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. That's all there is. And thank you for watching. Bye.